History of Computers Abacus, 1100 BC. Slide rule, 1617 Mechanical calculator, 1642 Automatic loom, punched cards, 1804. Babbage's computer, 1830s Boolean logic, 1850s. Hollerith's electric tabulator, 1880 Analog computer, 1927 EDVAC, 1946 ENIAC, 1947. Transistor, 1947. Integrated circuit, late 1950s UNIVAC, 1951 Microprocessor, 1971 Altair 8880 to 1975 Apple II, 1977 IBM PC, 1981 World Wide Web, 1990s. Abacus First true calculating machine in use since 1100 BC. Still used in some countries. Slide rule. In 1617, Scottish mathematician John Napier created a device to perform logarithm calculators. Soon after, an English clergyman named William Oughtred created a device based on this and named it the slide rule. It remained in use for the next 350 years until the electronic calculator was invented, first computer. In the early 1830s, English mathematician Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine, intended to be used to create math tables for navigation at sea. Completely mechanical and powered by steam. Could be programmed to perform different tasks. Punched card. First major development in computing hardware came after the results of the 1880 U.S. Census took 7 years to tabulate. U.S. Census Bureau conducted a contest for a faster method, and Herman Hollerith invented the punched card. He formed company which later became IBM. Punched card. Early computers. Mark I and ENIAC arrived on the scene during World War II. They were used to calculate weapon trajectories and help build atomic bombs. The early computers used punched cards. They were very expensive and used enough electricity to light up a small town. In 1951, the UNIVAC was first mass-produced. It was the first general-purpose computer. In 1953, IBM started selling computers. Early IBM computers. First-generation computers. Very expensive and huge, required large rooms and a lot of AC. Used vacuum tubes, slow/hot, similar to light bulbs. Where did the term bug come from? Grace Hopper coined the term bug when there was a computer malfunction. The original bug was a moth that was lodged in the circuitry and created a hardware problem in a Mark I computer. Hopper debugged the computer by removing the moth. Portable transistor radio. Transistors. Major breakthrough. In 1947, engineers from Bell Laboratories invented the transistor. It replaced the vacuum tubes. Much smaller, faster and more reliable. Relied on other electronic components to form circuits. Portable transistor radio. Integrated circuit, an even bigger breakthrough. In the late 1950s, engineers from Texas Instruments created integrated circuit. Instead of soldering components after they are made, they were manufactured all together on a chip of silicon. Also known as the microchip. Microprocessor advanced the integrated circuit even further. In the 1971, engineers from Intel Corporation designed the first microprocessor. All chips needed for the CPU were put together on one chip. Made the PC possible. Personal computers Altair 8800 created in 1975 as a mail-order kit. Also in 1975, Bill Gates, Paul Allen, and Monty Davidoff wrote BASIC programming language. Meanwhile, Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs were busy creating the Apple II in 1977. At this time VisiCalc, spreadsheet program, was created for the Apple. In 1981, the IBM PC was created, and shortly after Microsoft was formed and the MS-DOS operating system was created. The Internet is born. In the 1990s the Internet was born. This was a very significant revolution. The World Wide Web allowed us to connect to servers across the world. We can now go to our favorite websites, to order products, to communicate via email or Facebook, etc., handheld computers. In early 2000s there was an explosion of handheld computers. Examples are GPS units, tablets, smartphones. Smartphones can now do the following: handle phone calls, take pictures, run apps, do calculations, browse the internet, etc. Personal translators act as speaking dictionaries. Cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the cloud of powerful computers, servers, on the Internet. The servers provide temporary software that we can use at home. Examples: tax software, Photoshop. Software is stored in PC memory, not your hard drive. How has the computer affected society, science and technology? History of computers. Group activity. As a group, take the different events in computer history and place them in the correct order. How has the computer affected society, science and technology?